Hello guys, welcome you back to my channel. My name is KAFTAN. So today's tutorial is going to be a very quick one. I will show you how to make this beautiful turban headband. Very easy to make, as I'm going to be showing you, and of course stylish. This is a must-have among your fashion accessories. Getting to it, I have this piece of fabric I'll be using here. First of all, this tiny piece here is 3 inches in length and width by 12 inches. Okay, then the next piece of fabric I have is 8 inches in width by 18 inches. Okay, then the third one as well is the same thing as the second, 8 inches in width by 18 inches. I also have a one with an elastic band of 9 inches in length. These are all I'll be using for this. So first thing I'm going to do is to take every single of this piece, okay, fold it into two along the long length this way, and sew up half an inch from top to the end. Okay, the same thing to this side, sew from top to the end, and of course the same thing to this side, sew from top to the end. Okay, after which I've done that, then I'll turn it to the right side. So now I have this three piece all turned to that side. If you notice, the hemline, I placed it in such a way that this hemline will be at the center, the same thing to this other one, but for this smaller one not necessarily. For this smaller one here, I'm going to pass through my elastic through it. Okay, I'll also use my safety pin to do that. At the end, be sure to hold it down with a safety pin, because here I have to sew it here, and of course to this other end as well. I have to also sew here. So having sewn these two edges of the elastic, I will take one piece of this. Remember, the hemline is at the center. Fold it into two like so, and take one piece of this the end of the elastic, place it somewhere in the center like this, fold it like this, and also fold it the other way. So I'm going to run a stitch this way. Okay, I'll run a stitch like this. Then when I'm done with that, I will also take the other end of this, but this time around I will be passing this one inside. Okay, like this. Having it this way, I will also take one end of this band and of course place it somewhere at the center also. Fold it like this and also like this, and go run a stitch on both ends, so this way and this way. And here you have it, guys. Having stitched both sides, I like to trim out the the both edges of any dangling thread, and some cases I also use the lighter, okay, to smoothen the edges, okay, so that I don't like it when threads hang around. Smoothing the edges, for a neat finishing. Okay, and then I can turn it to the other side and hiding the stitch properly. Okay, you can see, unable to see the rough edge. Okay, and this is it. This is done. Just align it properly, and of course style your hair the way you want it. And this beautiful turban hairband is ready, or twisted turban hairband is ready, whichever one you like. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, guys. If you're sure to try this one, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and of course subscribe to my channel. Till I see you on the next one. Have a beautiful day.